Welcome back to Moneymakers, where we talk about all things money. In today's video, we'll be discussing some strategies to help you pay off your debt. If you're struggling with debt, you're not alone. According to recent statistics, the average American has over $90,000 in debt, which includes mortgages, car loans, student loans, and credit card debt. But don't worry, with the right strategies and mindset, you can pay off your debt and achieve financial freedom. Let's get started. The first step in paying off your debt is to create a budget. A budget is a plan for how you will spend your money, and it is an essential tool for managing your finances. Start by listing all your sources of income and all of your expenses. This will help you see where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. For example, if you're spending $100 a month on cable TV, you could switch to a cheaper streaming service and save $50 or more each month. Once you've created a budget, the next step is to prioritize your debts. This means making a list of all your debts and organizing them based on their interest rates. You should focus on paying off the debts with the highest interest rates first, as these are costing you the most money in interest charges. For example, if you have a credit card with a 20% interest rate and a student loan with a 5% interest rate, you should focus on paying off the credit card first. One popular strategy for paying off debt is the debt snowball method. This method involves paying off your debts in order from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. By focusing on paying off smaller debts first, you'll build momentum and motivation to tackle larger debts. For example, if you have a $500 credit card balance and a $5,000 car loan, you would focus on paying off the credit card first, even if the car loan has a higher interest rate. If you have multiple high-interest debts, consolidating them into a single lower-interest loan can be a smart move. This can make it easier to manage your debt and reduce your overall interest charges. One option for consolidation is a personal loan, which can have lower interest rates than credit cards or other high-interest debts. However, be sure to read the terms and conditions carefully and compare rates and fees from multiple lenders before taking out a loan. Another strategy for paying off debt is to increase your income. This can be done by working overtime, getting a part-time job, or starting a side hustle. By earning more money, you can put more money towards paying off your debt each month. For example, if you earn an extra $500 per month from a part-time job, you could use that money to pay off your credit card debt faster. So those are some strategies for paying off your debt. Remember, paying off debt takes time, patience, and discipline, but the rewards are worth it. By creating a budget, prioritizing your debts, using the debt snowball method, considering consolidation, and increasing your income, you can take control of your finances and achieve financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more money tips and advice.